Here we are at the trailhead out Skalkaho. Gonna show you some two-up performance for Roxy. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. The journey never ends. Part. Two-up twisties. I knew he was going to stop. Damn it, he wants me to pass, huh? Oh yeah, this is where I stopped last time. Yeah, and this gate was closed right here. And all the bullet holes in that close sign. So I've never been this far before. Officially past that gate. Alright, it looks like we got some dirt road. That's a hell of a cliff right there. You go down the side of that cliff, I think it's game over. Well, this road could be worse. I mean, it feels like it was paved at one time and it just collected a lot of shit. Ooh, Vista Point. Holy shit. That's a big fucking mountain. Holy shit, look at that. All right, friends, 4 days of non-stop work, and I bring you Skalkaho Falls. Welcome to Skalkaho Falls. As you can see, I did a little hiking up here. Beautiful out there too. Woo! You can feel the mist and it feels great. And look at those, that couple's hiking over there, way up there. Woohoo! Good times. Yeah! Woo! All right, time for a quick vape. We'll be headed on down that way. Headed back. Beautiful. Loving it, loving it. Check this out. Isn't that nice? Love it. Life is a journey. Even got some tunes. Let's rock. Alright, so I just tried to save that guy down there, but I think he's already gone. Hey buddy, you got any life left in you? No, he's dead. Didn't hit him, he was already dead. Pulled over, tried to save him. Bye buddy. Rest in peace, huh? Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we're gonna call it a day. Hope you enjoyed the trip out to Skalkaho Falls. The journey never ends. Catch you next time. All right, one quick stop on the way home. Why not? Here we are at the same place where the road was closed out that way, and I went about 3 or 4 miles down to the falls, which you just saw, and it's beautiful out today. All right, let's rock and roll. I call this U-turn in the middle of nowhere.